thundering into the horizon with the commanding presence of American heavy-haul heritage. The 1985 Ford 9000 stands as a steel-clad testament to an era when trucks were built to dominate highways and work relentlessly without compromise. If your soul stirs at the sight of big bore diesels, towering cabs, and the scent of burning miles, then you belong in our convoy. Subscribe and roll with the community, where legends like the Ford 9000 are not just remembered, they are brought roaring back to life through stories that keep their spirit eternal. The Ford 9000 series had been a flagship in Ford's heavy-duty lineup since the late 1970s, designed to compete head with industry titans like Kenworth's W900 and Peter 359. By 1985, the 9000 had evolved into a refined yet brutally capable machine. Offered in both conventional and cabover configurations, it featured aerodynamic refinements, reinforced frames, and a cabin designed to enhance driver comfort for long-haul journeys. The model was powered primarily by big diesel engines from Cummins and Detroit Diesel, with the Cummins NTC 350 and later Big Cam variants delivering outputs from 350 to over 400 horsepower, matched a robust Fuller Road Ranger manual transmissions that gave drivers precise control over heavy loads. The 9000's engineering focused on durability, with heavy-duty suspension systems, high-capacity axles, and superior cooling setups to handle both mountainous terrain and punishing interstate runs. Operators valued its mix of reliability, serviceability, and commanding road presence. The model also offered sleeper cab options with expanded space, making it a comfortable home on wheels for long-haul drivers. Earlier iterations in the late 70s and early 80s set the foundation, but the mid-80s version brought updated interior ergonomics, improved noise insulation, and better corrosion protection, enhancing both longevity and driver experience. The Ford 9000 was competitively priced in its time, undercutting some premium rivals while matching them in hauling performance. Today, surviving examples in excellent condition can range from $25,000 to $60,000, depending on restoration quality, with collectors and working fleets valuing them for their classic, American style, and bulletproof mechanical pedigree in comparison to its period rivals. The 1985 Ford 9000 may not have carried the luxury trim of certain premium brands, but it countered with rugged dependability and a broad engine selection tailored to diverse hauling needs. This is more than a truck, it is a rolling piece of American industrial history. Join our journey. Subscribe now and be part of a community where power, heritage, and passion drive every mile we travel together.